habits are very hard to break. There's a lot of comfort in just the same thing every day. Disappointment that comes from settling in, and it's comfort and it's disappointment at the same time. I think sometimes people are scared of improvement because they're scared of failure. Start tomorrow.
Changing habits is not an easy task. It requires a lot of effort and persistence to replace old patterns with new ones. However, with the right approach, you can make a significant change in your behavior. Here are 5 tips on how to change your habits. The first step in changing a habit is identifying the behavior you want to modify. You can't change something if you don't know what it is. Be specific and clear about what you want to achieve. For example, instead of saying, "I want to exercise more," say, "I want to exercise for 30 minutes every day." Try to replace bad habits with good ones, rather than just trying to eliminate a bad habit. Replace it with a good one. For example, if you're trying to quit smoking, you can replace that habit with chewing gum or going for a walk when you feel the urge to smoke. Tip number 2. Once you have identified the habit you want to change,
21-day
start
program
small.
with 6 things that you're trying to do as new habits. And after 21 days, you stop engaging, simply go into autopilot. How many of those particular habits that I was deliberately trying to learn are automatically incorporated into my schedule? Every 21 days, you don't update and start adding new habits. You simply try and maintain the ones that you've built in that first 21 days.
Don't try to change everything at once. Pick 1 or 2 small habits to focus on initially. For example, if you want to exercise more, start by taking a short walk every day. Tips number 3. It's important to set achievable goals when changing habits. If you set goals that are too difficult to achieve, you're setting yourself up for failure. Start with small goals and gradually increase them over time. For example, if you want to eat healthier, start by eating 1 more serving of vegetables every day. Tips number 4. Track your progress. Tracking your progress is a great way to stay motivated and see how far you've come. Use a journal, an app, or a habit tracker to record your progress. Celebrate your success and learn from your mistakes. Tips number 5. Surround yourself with support. Changing habits can be challenging, so it's essential to surround yourself with people who support your efforts. Share your goals with friends and family members and ask for their encouragement. You can also join a support group or find a coach or a mentor who can help you stay on track. Changing habits takes time and effort. It's important to be patient and persistent. If you slip up, don't beat yourself up. Just get back on track and keep moving forward. Remember that it's okay to make mistakes, as long as you learn from them and keep trying. In conclusion, changing habits require effort and a willingness to try new things. With these tips, you can start making small changes that will have a big impact on your life. Remember to be patient and kind to yourself.